Okay, here we have our oil. It's about a half a cup. When you're making soup, you don't need a lot of oil. It's about a half a cup. Just use your own judgment as far as how much of the size of the soup you're trying to make. So we're gonna go ahead and start up with the onion. Here we have the fresh onion frying, and we're gonna go ahead and put the carrot. So here's the carrot, three shredded carrots. Okay, now we have our carrots frying in the oil. We do have the onion, the carrots, and now we're gonna go ahead and add our red bell pepper. So here it is, the one bell pepper. It was a big one, so use your own judgment as far as how much you would like to put in your vegetable. So it depends on how you love the bell pepper. So as far as for me, I'm gonna just put like about half of it. Okay, we have our red bell pepper frying in the oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the yellow bell pepper. So here is the red, I'm sorry, the yellow bell pepper is still frozen. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it in the oil, and it's gonna defrost from the heat. Okay, my people, this is the yellow bell pepper. Go ahead and mix it well in your vegetable and give it a little time to simmer before you go ahead and add up on the rest of the vegetable. Okay, here's the tomato. It's one big tomato, but you need two big tomatoes. But we're gonna go ahead and dump it in there or pour in our vegetable. So we're gonna give it time to simmer or to fry. Guys, I won't lie, it smells amazing and it looks so delicious. And here, this is the puree garlic, and we're gonna pour in it. Look at this vegetable. It's like mixed color. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. Ooh wee. So we're gonna go ahead and add our potato. Okay, I already told you guys it was 6 small potato, and I peeled it, rinsed it good, and cut it into cube. And we're gonna go ahead and pick it up and pour in our vegetable. Go ahead and mix it. Okay guys, this is how it looks like, and now we're gonna wait for the potato to simmer. While we're waiting for the potato to simmer, why don't we go and open the can of beans. So this is our kidney beans. Okay, this is how the kidney beans look like for people that do not know how a kidney beans look like. Okay, it may sound funny or corny, but hey, so we do have some juice in there, but we are supposed to use all of this in our soup. But I usually just dump it a little bit because hey, I don't like this kind of juice. Okay, so I did dump all the all the yucky juice out because I believe those are the juice that make you fart like there's no tomorrow. I'm sorry guys, but that's the truth. We're gonna go ahead and pour our beans in this delicious soup. Normally you're supposed to buy those are mixed kidney beans. There's like two kind of beans inside, or kind of mixed beans, but I never see such things, so I'm gonna just use with what I have, cook with what I have. So guys, oh wait, delicioso. Okay guys, now it's time for us to add water, but before we go ahead and add some water, I'm gonna go ahead and put the salt seasoning. So this one I use it as a substitute for salt. Go ahead and add a teaspoon first, and mix all your vegetable up. Taste it, because there's people that's allowed to eat salt and some people are not allowed. So use your own judgment as far as salt wise. And here it is the garlic powder, about a teaspoon as well. But I love me some garlic. I'm gonna just empty it out because those was the last powder in there. So, and plus garlic is healthy. And we're gonna go ahead and add the onion powder, about teaspoon or tablespoon, I'm sorry, about a teaspoon. I'm so sorry. So go ahead and mix your vegetable up, and then you can go ahead and add 2 cup of water, but I won't really add everything in once. I will do just a little bit first, to see where I need it to, and now I can go ahead and add all of it, because when you're cooking you need to be wise. Okay, the reason why I say you need to be wise, because sometimes you can go ahead and add all those 2 cup and you have a full of pot of nonsense. When I say nonsense, it's like a lot of water for nothing. Okay, so add half, mix it, and see if it's, it has a balance, and then we can go ahead and add more. So okay, we did add 2 cup and it looks delicious. Now we're gonna put the cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I believe everything will be set and done by then. Okay guys, see you soon. This is how the soup look like, and we forgot one ingredient, and we're gonna go ahead and add our paprika. Okay, about a teaspoon of paprika. Okay, now we're gonna just let it simmer and then come and check it out when everything is said and done. Okay, here's the final result. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. And here we have a delicious mixed vegetable soup. Okay, enjoy. Please do not forget to subscribe, my lover. Go ahead and serve your soup. You could have yourself some crackers. It tastes amazing, delicious. It's like sweets, mixed with beans and potato. It cannot get any better than this. Okay, my lover, we reach at the end of our video. As usual, do not forget to thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, and please leave a comment below if you have a question, or you want me to try a recipe for you guys. I am more than happy to do so. Okay, enjoy your day. I know we are getting to reaching out to the Christmas days, so stay safe, y'all. Stay safe, as we always increase our prayer at the end of the year, because there is a lot of things that do going on. The devil is always there to just defeat us, but as a kid of God, we have to persevere with prayer and to always hope for the best. Love you guys and see you soon. Bye bye.